Planning a long highway trip? Today, I'll share the 10 best Amazon car accessories for modern highway travel comfort that will make every journey safer, easier, and more enjoyable. From practical maintenance tools to comfort-focused upgrades, these accessories are designed to give you peace of mind and keep your ride smooth. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Trailer plug wiring harness. When towing trailers, boats, or campers, a reliable connection is essential for safety. The trailer plug wiring harness ensures all your lights, brakes, and signals communicate seamlessly between your vehicle and trailer. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it's designed to withstand road conditions, rain, or dust without failure. Installation is straightforward, with most harnesses offering a plug-and-play setup for quick use. This small but vital accessory prevents costly electrical issues and improves driving confidence. If you're planning highway travel with heavy loads or recreational gear, a sturdy wiring harness is one accessory that ensures safety and compliance on the road.
Digital tire pressure gauge. Maintaining the right tire pressure is critical for safety and fuel efficiency, and the digital tire pressure gauge makes it simple. With a clear digital display, you can check tire pressure instantly and accurately, avoiding underinflation or overinflation issues. Compact and easy to use, it fits conveniently in your glove box for quick access. Some models even feature backlit screens for nighttime use and auto shutoff to save battery. Consistently checking your tires helps extend their lifespan and prevents blowouts during long drives. For modern highway travel comfort, this gadget is an inexpensive yet essential tool for every driver's kit.
Hard shell rooftop tent. Turn your vehicle into a mobile campsite with the hard shell rooftop tent. Perfect for road trips and outdoor adventures, it sets up quickly with a simple lift mechanism, offering a weatherproof and comfortable sleeping space above your car. Its aerodynamic hard shell protects the tent when folded, reducing drag and ensuring durability. Inside, you'll find cushioned mattresses and breathable fabric, making it as cozy as home. Ideal for families or solo travelers, this tent saves time compared to traditional camping setups. Whether you're on highways or exploring off-grid, it transforms your car into a ready-to-go adventure vehicle instantly. Car armrest cover cushion. Long drives can strain your elbows and arms, but the car armrest cover cushion adds comfort and protection. Made from high-quality memory foam or leather materials, it fits securely over your center console, providing a soft resting spot while also protecting against scratches, spills, and wear. Its universal design ensures compatibility with most vehicles, and installation is quick with elastic straps or Velcro. A clean, stylish finish elevates your car's interior look while enhancing comfort during highway travel. For drivers and passengers who value both function and aesthetics, this simple accessory is a must-have for smooth and enjoyable road trips. Hex Bit Socket Set. For anyone who enjoys DIY car maintenance, the Hex Bit Socket Set is indispensable. It includes a wide range of sizes to handle different bolts and screws found in vehicles, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, these sockets resist wear and corrosion, guaranteeing long-term use. They fit standard ratchets and wrenches, offering versatility for car repairs, adjustments, or general maintenance. Organized storage cases keep everything in place, making it portable and easy to carry on road trips. A reliable socket set saves time and money by giving you self-repair confidence anytime. Portable tire inflator pump. Avoid being stranded with flat tires by carrying a portable tire inflator pump. Compact yet powerful, this device plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and inflates tires within minutes. Equipped with digital displays, automatic shutoff, and built-in LED lights, it's both user-friendly and efficient. Some models even support inflating sports balls, air mattresses, or bike tires, making it a multi-purpose tool.
Having one ensures safety and saves time on highways where service stations aren't always nearby. For modern travel comfort, this pump is an essential backup that keeps your tires properly inflated for safer, smoother, and fuel-efficient long-distance drives. Smart Car Air Freshener. Upgrade your in-car environment with a Smart Car Air Freshener, a modern twist on traditional fragrances. These gadgets automatically release controlled bursts of fresh scent, often customizable via mobile apps or built-in settings. Many feature essential oils or long-lasting cartridges, ensuring pleasant aromas for weeks without manual spraying. Sleek and compact designs blend seamlessly with interiors, while offering USB-powered or rechargeable options. On long road trips, a clean and refreshing atmosphere boosts comfort and reduces fatigue. Forget messy hanging trees. This smart solution gives you style, technology, and freshness combined. It's an accessory every modern highway traveler will appreciate. Universal Hitch Step Guard. Protect your vehicle's bumper and add functionality with the Universal Hitch Step Guard. Designed to fit most 2-inch hitch receivers, it provides a sturdy step for easy access to your roof rack, cargo box, or truck bed. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with anti-slip surfaces, it doubles as a guard, protecting against minor impacts and scrapes. Whether loading gear for road trips or securing rooftop accessories, this hitch step makes the process safer and more convenient. Installation requires no drilling, just secure it into place. For drivers who value both protection and practicality, this accessory enhances travel comfort and utility. Heavy-duty wheel chocks. When parking on inclines, changing tires, or securing trailers, heavy-duty wheel chocks provide peace of mind. Made from durable rubber or reinforced plastic, they prevent your vehicle from rolling unexpectedly. Grooved surfaces increase grip, while reflective strips improve visibility at night. Lightweight and easy to carry, they're perfect for highway travelers towing campers or trailers. Using wheel chocks ensures safety during roadside stops or maintenance tasks, especially when paired with jack stands. For a small investment, they deliver big safety benefits, protecting you and your vehicle. Every serious road tripper should include these in their emergency and travel kit. Universal OBD2 Scanner Tool. Take control of your car's health with the Universal OBD2 Scanner Tool. Plugging into your vehicle's diagnostic port, it reads error codes and provides real-time performance data. Compatible with most cars made after 1996, it helps identify issues like engine misfires, sensor malfunctions, or emission problems. Many models connect to smartphones via Bluetooth, offering user-friendly apps for detailed analysis. Carrying one means you don't have to guess when the check engine light comes on, saving time and money at repair shops. For modern highway travelers, this tool ensures confidence and comfort by keeping your car's performance in check wherever you go. That concludes our list of the 10 best Amazon car accessories for modern highway travel comfort. Each of these products adds safety, convenience, or a touch of luxury to your road trips, making every mile more enjoyable. Be sure to check the links in the description for updated prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll always stay updated with our latest product reviews and recommendations. Safe travels!